who have big dreams and always stand for birds boldly and always wanting to conquer the hard challenges and deliver with smile and always exalt with passion and compassion. That is what exactly me. I am Miriam Taronti, currently studying in Alvin Center, Don Bosco Higher Secondary, born in a small, beautiful town, Dongmoka, and I'm always a patriotic person. I love my Caribbean long, and I love my people of Caribbean, and I want to see my future generation, my country, and my district with powerful highlighted, and I would like to bring this aspect in my future generation. I love my Caribbean long, and I hope all are enjoying this delightful, beautiful evening. Thank you.
Next suggestion, please.
Hello sir, hello ma'am, hello everyone, good evening. My name is Rachel Doltang. I'm a student of second year pursuing the higher secondary from JND guys that deals with serving others. Apart from this, I love to engage myself in co-curricular activities like playing table tennis, debate, writing essay, and challenging my fears as hobbies. In 2018, my team and I represented our district and region in the 22nd National Youth Parliament, and there we got third position in the regional level and seventh position in the national level. And we were awarded by the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Government of India. I portray myself as tenacious person who is not afraid to fail and never gives up. And I'm also an open and honest person who is fair in everything I do. My love for people and their welfare aspires me to be an IAS officer. And lastly, I believe and follow the quote said by the Mahatma Gandhi that be the change you wish to see in the world. Thank you so much.
Next suggestion, please.
Good evening to all my respected judges and each one of you here tonight. I am Priya Tironpi from West Caribbean Law, but I'm now based in Gifu, currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts in Gifu Government College. I am also a self-trained dancer, and my hobbies include dancing, which I love dearly, and adventures too. If I had to define myself, I would say I'm a daring person filled with positivity who loves to explore and to challenge oneself. I'm also a big fan of modeling and fitness. Also, I aspire to become a professional dancer as well as choreographer. Last but not the least, I believe that we are given only one life. And so do not let it waste. As the way I love myself, I want you to all to do the same. Those who are short in height like me, it's okay. Just keep in your mind that you are special, unique, and we are no less than anyone else. Believe in yourself, work hard. The harder you work, the luckier you get. Thank you so much.
Good evening. My name is Kumana. I live in Duku, Sillavadi Forest and City. My hobby is acting drama. My name is Miss Assam 2021, Miss India winner, Miss World winner. মোৰ সপোন যে মই পুৰা ৱৰ্ল্ডৰ কাৰণে উইন
First of all, I'd like to say Gardon, and we're placing good evening to all the respected judges, dignitaries, participants, and of course to all the beautiful people present over here today. I'm gonna go with my name first. My name is Ratinja Intikatharpi, and I'm from Hiditi Borjan. Right now, I'm doing my BSc fifth semester in Pramsat College in Hanlangso. And to tell you about my aim, I'm aiming to become a teacher, and to tell you about my hobbies that basically are singing, cooking, and reading. And there's a saying that motivates me a lot, that is, never stop learning and never stop trying out new things. And that's the main reason why I'm here today participating in the 5th Miss Caribbean Long 2020. And also I would like to say thank you and extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the judges who come from different parts of the town. And of course, last but not least, I'd like to thank to all the organizers for giving me this privilege to introduce myself. So that's all about me, and thank you so much once again, and have a great night to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next contestant, please.
Kardong and Jutai. Hello everyone. When life gives you 100 reasons to break down and cry, show life that you have a millions of reasons to smile and love. A very warm good evening to all the respected judges and everyone present here. My name is Pemika Daulagupu from a beautiful place, Dhansri, Karbi Anglong. I am a student of BAC 5th semester from London College. I am a self-motivated, hard-working, and also brave enough to face every situation. My aim is to become an independent woman who loves to travel and want to travel all over my life. I strongly believe never let go your dreams. If you really want something, you have to work for it. So here I am representing a beautiful Caribbean attire this evening, and I am the second runner-up of Miss Grand Falcon. This is my dream, and I want my dream to become true. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Next contestant, please.
Live your dreams, chase your dreams in high heels, of course. Good evening, judges. Good evening, audience, and all my commemorates present here. I am Kiran Rongparpi, 18 years old, currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in English literature at Don Bosco College, Balaghat. I am a very fun-loving person. I love traveling and look out for my family holidays. My aim in life is to become a human resource in an overseas, which is also called World Trade Organization. I am an inter-district level debate and quiz competitor, which I have won a second runners-up in the inter-district level, which was formed in the Channel Festival of Jakralangso. I'm very honored to stand over here to represent my Karbi attire. Tonight, I'm carrying my attire with no hempi, which is worn by ladies in the year, and jiso, which is also a cloth, which is also carried by a woman to carry their child, and a waist belt called wangkok, and PE, which is also known as to cover the lower length of the body. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next contestant, please.
Cardam. Good evening to everyone and to the jury members. My name is Arundhati Paul Chaudhary. I am born and brought up in this beautiful place, Deepu. And I am pursuing my bachelor's in zoology from Deepu College. My hobbies include I practice yoga and love to travel different new places. And I believe that everything is possible in life. And being a sportsman, sports active, my discipline flows in blood. And thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed. Next contestant, please.
Kadang dong ithegiti Napendra Peter Podu Ara Van Samani Sami Pratimateral Pimpin Cardo Bajarigno Cardo Niliturning Ding Lake HS was her like that big girls for a salon say Niliturning Dumbo Nili hand like low a charlie Kikan Kinu Napen Professional Summit Nili hand pick though Nasira to potato time Napen Miligiman lagi, ini dulu saya di sini gimana itu? Lepas, karbi, isu aja doang tak? Ekti rere pura, sekarang ni pernah ni, body lo prote, ekti son we, ekti thai we, lam nasi ni nanti kan body lo, kardo.
Thank you very much. Next contestant, please.
When we decide to be ourselves, and that's so true. Cardo, my name is Ritika Ronki. I came from BTP. I'm studying the fourth semester this year at Bukazan College of Bukazan. I believe that every person can achieve their goals if they have courage and confidence in themselves. Thank you.
Thank you very much, contestant. Next contestant, please.
A woman is not a cloth that she wears, not the figure that she carries, or not the hair that she combs. Good evening, judges, ladies and gentlemen. I am called Diopani. Pursuing my master's in rural development from Pune University.
Kardom, and good evening each and everyone present here in Kazir Ramhampi Memorial Talent Hunt Society. Respected sir and beautiful judges, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Alice Tonpi. I am from a beautiful place, Dipuluru, Langso. I am a self-motivated person. I am a student from Acharya Academy. My hobby is dancing, singing and acting, and my aim in life is becoming an advocate. Where can I build my career and help poor and the needed orphans. which is also a part of my dream. And now I'm wearing a very beautiful Karbi traditional attire. Pinikamplak, attire Bangkok, and also Piba. And the necklace name is Lakiki, and the earring name is No Thank You. So thank you so much. That's it all about me. Thanks again for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Kardam. A very good evening to one and all present here, respected judges and all my beloved friends. I am Amanda Ao, a young Indian girl with many passions. I'm from Lamding, studying in BA first semester in Lamding College. I am a girl brought up in a positive environment. I believe that I am a kind of person who can deal with every situation because I know I'm strong enough. And my passion burns so bright that I can't stop myself from dreaming. And I believe that this is a very platform where I can show my talents and prove myself who I am and what I can do. And I love making friends around. I have also participated in the Guwahati Nowadays Fashion Week held in Guwahati this year in the month of February, which was an awesome experience in my entire life. My hobbies are dancing, singing, also acting, and my aim in life is to become an air hostess. That's all about me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Next contestant, please.
Pardon, and good evening to each and every one of you present here today. My name is Neha Magar. I am born and brought up here in Difu itself. I'm a student in Difu Government College. My hobbies are singing and cooking. I also love traveling and spending time with my dear ones. My aim in life is to become a successful model. Well, talking about my aim in life, I'm here today, taking the many steps towards the success of my life. I'm here to explore myself, to bring the confidence in myself, believing that if we have the willpower to do something, then nothing is impossible. Well, I do have two goals in my life. The first one is obviously to be successful in my life and make my mother proud, because being a single parent, she worked really very hard to bring me till here today. The second goal in my life, that's something I really want to change in my place. That's something I really want to change in my place. I'm talking about the discrimination faced by the LGBTQIA plus community in my place. Well, I'm a straight girl, but I do, and seeing them struggle to come out in open and speak the truth, thinking that people might look down upon them or society won't accept them, hurts me a lot. Today, I would like to take the opportunity to say that it's okay to be gay, it's okay to be lesbian, it's okay to be transgender, and it's very much okay to be different. Live and let live. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next contestant, please.
Good evening to my respected judges and all of you present here. First of all, I'd like to thank for giving me this opportunity to say a few words about myself to you. My name is Shanika Henry and I am born in very beautiful state, Kharakhat. I have cleared my AGS this year for the Mountain Junior College. And I'm preparing for the NEET 2021. My hobbies are dancing, painting, and singing. Today, I'm wearing a beautiful and lovely dress, Piba of Karbi culture. I'm representing today's stage all those girls who aspire to follow their passion so that not have to suffer from the society. But passion is always your own and should not shy and embarrass to follow this passion. I got the title of Miss Nagaon in 2018. Modeling is my passion and I always follow my passion because I always follow a motto in my life that if you follow your passion, success follows you. Thank you.
I'm from Colombians and the audience. My name is Frankai Singh and I'm from Bukutsa and currently pursuing a become lecturer at Information College. And my aim in life is to become a bank manager and also to build up a modeling career. So that's why I'm here standing in front of you all the time. And apart from that, I love listening music, traveling, dancing and cooking. And I want to say something that life is not about winning. It's about learning, and we have been here is to learn. And I have learned a lot of things in this 1 week of learning session, given by Dr. Rohan in the Level 7 High Society. And I would like to thank my mom to ensure my dream of 5 years program and training. And again, I would like to say that life is like a lesson, okay? If you turn the page, you can in this 1 week. And thank you once again. Kaido.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, the judges, and all the lovely people present here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rupali Timupi. I am from Walampong Aji, and I'm currently pursuing my master's degree from Assam University campus. I like to sing, so I would say singing is my hobby. I'm a very introverted kind of person, and it's not easy for someone like me to suddenly stand out and be in the spotlight. But I've learned that courage and confidence is something that you have to learn yourself. So if you want to shine bright in your life, you have to break through your fears. Because real courage is when you proceed despite the fear. So I want to give this message to everyone hanging out in influence. This is a time for you to shine, honey. So take a chance and be the change. Thank you. I love you all.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Next contestant, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Kabinubi and I am from Lansingburg, West Permian. My hobbies are dancing and singing and I'm a kind of funny and friendly person. Today I am here to experience life and to challenge myself. And right now I am a BSc third-time student and my aim is to become a doctor. And my dream is to be a supermodel. And that's all about me. Thank you.
Next contestant, please.
A very warm good evening, respected judges and those who are present here. Coming from a very poor family, in my family I have 5 sisters. In my society, many people will think that we sisters are not equal to men, but I believe in myself. Also, the reason I am here. This is a photography from a very beautiful place of Muka Santaro village. Right now, I'm working at SLSCBG Bopatan PC as a electronic technician. Coming from a medical background, but I always interested in glamorous work. I want to see myself a successful woman and a good mentor. including idol dancing, singing, and acting. In my life, I faced so many challenges and all those failures in my life to me to this position. I am here to update myself. I think that if I want to change the world and first of all need to change ourselves. Thank you.
Next contestant.
Pardon, and a very warm good evening to respected judges and to one and all present here. My name is Sarah Hidarampi and I'm 17 years old, born and raised in Pariyat in Karbianglong and currently pursuing my higher secondary from Pranab Jubilee College. And my hobbies are traveling and modeling and I aim to become a successful model. And I believe that hard work and perseverance is the key to success. And I'm inspired by the whole people and our rich culture and tradition. And I wanted to take it to the next level through this platform. Thank you so much.
Next contestant, please.
Good evening, respected judges, and to everyone present here. My name is Urmila Toronpi, currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts from Don Bosco Junior College. The greatness of a culture can be found in its festival. So here I am from a very renowned place where Kirby Youth Festival is celebrated every year. Toralanso Kipu Kirbyang! Talking about my hobbies is playing basketball and my aim in life is to become a lawyer, continuing along with the pageantry and modeling. Talking about my hobbies, I have one other sister. She is none other than the previous year Miss Karbianglong 2019. She and my mother always inspired me to do well in my career. They are the role model of my life. To me, life is not a struggle, but an opportunity to prove myself. So we